Welcome to all of you into the day number 2 into the grammar session, grammar. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so grammar. Do you really think so the grammar is very boring, or do you really think so that grammar is equally important? Because you all have joined this 3-day workshop with one common objective. So why do you think so the grammar is important? From your point of view, please don't tell me the Google language. क्या लगता है सुमाना? सुमाना, what do you think so the grammar is important?
Yes, ma'am. Grammar is important because when I speak in English, any sentence, any word, so
You
that,
should have the
that
knowledge
time,
of the grammar. Yes, you should have the
yes,
knowledge of the grammar. Okay, okay.
yes, yes,
Well tried, well tried. Anyone who wants to share his or her inputs?
To
Correct
construct a
grammar helps
sentence,
us to communicate in a correct way. If I
Very
use
nice.
wrong grammar, meaning might change.
Meaning might change. Very nice, Teacher.
Yes.
Excellent. Yes, Sandeep, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I think it is a um, basic need or basic structure for correcting the sentence or
For
making a
correcting
sentence.
the sentence. Very nice, very nice. For correcting the sentences. Very nice, very nice. What else? Why the grammar is important? देखो सिंपल सा है गाइस लॉजिक इफ यू हैव द गुड नॉलेज ऑफ द ग्रामर यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द अदर पीपल्स आर सेइंग एंड वाइस वर्सा यू कैन आल्सो मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से that is the knowledge of the grammar. The second thing is that, guys, that if you have the good knowledge of the grammar you can easily earn the trust and respect in front of your audience. Okay, you can easily earn the trust and respect. And trust me, guys, if you are able to earn the trust and respect, no one can stop you to speak English. Because the problem is that our audience doesn't want to listen us. Okay, so that's why we should have the good knowledge of the grammar. We should have the good knowledge of the grammar. Guys, okay, before starting this session, the few things I would like to discuss with you guys. This is a grammar session, so please be ready with your diary and the pen. The second thing is, guys, please
Yes,
be
yes,
seated in a noise-free area. I request, please be seated in a noise-free area so that we can make our session lively and smoothly. If there is a noise at your end, so please keep mute yourself. You can use a chat option also. Okay. If the time allows, guys, definitely I will take care of the grammar queries if the time allows. And the last thing is, guys, please don't be thinking so, oh my God, this is a grammar session. We forgot, we learned the rules in our school days or the college days. No, my dear students, today's session is entirely different. Okay. At the end of the session, I will discuss some golden Brahmastra. Golden Brahmastra, I will discuss with you to frame the sentences correctly. देखो, if you have the good knowledge of the fluency, you can be an impressive and effective speaker. But उसमें कहते हैं ना थोड़ा सा तड़का अगर ग्रामर का लग जाए तो you can be an effective, impressive and correct speaker. And correct speaker.
okay.
If I ask you whatever the sentences you are framing, that sentences are grammatically correct, is there any change into your personality?
Yes.
What type
Yes,
of change?
definitely.
What type of change you
yes,
will feel?
yes.
कैसा चेंज आपको फील होगा?
People will listen us seriously.
सीरियसली ओके आपकी पर्सनालिटी में क्या चेंज होगा इला जी?
We will feel
I will feel
confident.
confident. I will
Confidence,
feel
yes,
much more confident.
much more confident. And trust me, guys, that confidence will reflect on your personality. So in IDQ, we are not here to speak like broken language. वो टूटा फूटा इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए हम नहीं आए हैं. That you already know, guys. You are all professionals, I might so. Okay,
I
so
am not
that you can.
professional.
Okay,
I
okay,
am
okay.
not professional.
But you are very curious learner. You are very curious learner. So that you can easily speak. That you can easily speak. Okay. But now my question is, guys, before starting this session, everyone in today's scenario, everyone is facing one constraint issue. Can anyone tell me what is that? Constraint issue का मतलब होता है everyone is facing with one common problem. What is that? हर कोई इसको face कर रहा है.
We don't have words to explain us.
Maybe this is your problem, Ela ji.
Yes.
Maybe this is your problem, but my question is everyone is facing with that problem. क्या है वो?
Confidence. Confidence.
No.
Same lack of
Interruption in
vocabulary,
speaking.
lack of vocabulary and
Yeah, this is also the
No, no, no. Poonam, you are talking about individual problems. ये आप अपनी problem बता रहे हो. I am talking everyone is facing with one common problem. What is that?
Fear, ma'am. Fear.
Poor listening.
I think
Fear.
dar,
Poor listening.
Fear.
dar.
मैम
Fear. Fear.
effectively explain ना कर पाना
No,
इंग्लिश
no, 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 guys.
लोग क्या कहेंगे?
No, the time, the problem is the time. Guys, in this batch, there are 11 students in this batch. Anyone who is saying, ki, ma'am, I have 1 year, 2 years time, you can easily work on my communication skills. No.
No.
We don't have the time in today's scenario.
yes
हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, मनी है हमारे पास, लेकिन हमारे
Right,
पास
right.
टाइम नहीं है.
exactly madam
We really want to learn as soon
Exactly,
as possible. Okay. So why am I saying this, my dear students? Because I have designed my grammar curriculum in such a way that I will only touch that topics which is really important for the fluency purpose, for the speaking purpose.
Yes.
Because you know grammar has no ends. हम बचपन से ग्रामर पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, ग्रामर का कोई एंड ही नहीं है. But in IDQ, I will only teach that part of grammar which is really important for
Speaking.
speaking. Because you are not here to publish any book. Is there anyone who will publish any book after the 3 months? No, किसी को
No,
कोई publish
no.
नहीं करनी है book.
नहीं.
ठीक है, सिर्फ हम यहाँ पर किस लिए आए हैं? Speaking के लिए.
for speaking
Maybe some of you are very good in writing, but the problem is the speaking. Sandeep, please mute. Okay, so we will touch only that topics which is really important for
Speaking.
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 Is it clear?
clear
Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
अच्छा, write down 2 sentences, guys, if everyone is ready. थोड़ा सा जल्दी बोलूंगी, you can write, or either you can listen. Write down. Let's eat grandma. Let's eat grandma. Write down second sentence. Let's eat, comma, grandma. Let's eat grandma. That is the first sentence. The second sentence is let's eat, comma, grandma.
Second one is correct.
What is the, देखो, these 2 sentences are same. These 2 sentences are same. But which one is correct and which one is incorrect?
Second one.
Second one is correct.
तो first जो है let's eat grandma, उसका मतलब क्या है?
grandma
Grandma को खाता-
हाँ, चलो grandma को खा जाते हैं. ठीक है? But if you will see the second sentence, let's eat, comma, grandma, तो इसका मतलब है आओ grandma
आओ,
खाना
grandma साथ में
खाना
खाते हैं.
खाते हैं. तो then you can see ये जो tiny comma है, that saves the life. तो जो grammar है, if you have the good knowledge of the grammar, it can save the relationships also. Okay?
Yes.
So shall I start?
yes
Yes.
of
Yes,
course.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, I will use a bilingual language, Hindi and English. Okay,
Okay.
सिर्फ मुझे यही 2 आती हैं language. I can only use these 2 languages. Okay?
Yeah.
ठीक है? I will say in Hindi and then I will translate into English. Johnny, it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo ji, let's start. So today's topic is very interesting. I hope my screen is visible, everyone.
Yes.
yes
Parts of speech. ठीक है, parts of speech हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. Parts of speech. Why we need the parts of speech? To make any sentence in a more meaningful manner, in a more beautiful manner, we should have the good knowledge of the parts of speech. How many parts of speech? There are the 8 parts of speech: adverb, pronoun, conjunction, interjunction, preposition, adjective, noun, and verbs. These are all the parts of speech. But today's question is little bit different. Today's my question is, which is the most important part of speech? कौन सा लगता है सबसे ज्यादा important है?
Verb.
Verb. Okay, Samantha is saying
Verb.
very nice. Okay. What about others?
Preposition.
Preposition. Very nice. Very nice. Any more inputs?
Helping verb and verb.
Verbs. Verbs or prepositions. Any more inputs apart from that?
Congestion.
Conjunction. Very nice, very nice. थोड़ा सा अलग से लगा इसलिए बोला या do you really think so?
नहीं, उसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ के बोला.
पढ़ के बोला. अच्छा. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's see which is the most important part of it. Guys, these are all the important parts. These are all the important parts. But today we are going to discuss which is the most important part. Okay? So let's see. So which is the most important part?
The verb.
Verb. The verb is the most important part of speech. Why? Because verb is called the hero of the sentence. Verb को हम क्या कहते हैं? Hero of the sentence. Okay? Yes. Suman is here. Yes, Suman? Okay, so the verb is the most important part of the speech. Suman, you want to say something, dear?
No, continue.
Okay, okay, okay. So the verb is the most important part of the speech. Why? Because verb is called the hero of the sentence. Have you seen, guys, any movie without hero? कोई movie देखी
No.
है hero को? No.
No.
No movie without hero. Same goes with the sentence. There is no verb. There is no sentence without verb.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no sentence without verb. There is a sentence without noun. There is a sentence without pronoun. There is a sentence
Pronoun.
without conjunction. There is a sentence
Conjunction.
without preposition. But there is no sentence without verb. Like for example, guys, I like her. I like her. What is I?
Subject.
Subject.
No.
Or you can
No.
say it is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. Okay.
Pronoun.
What is like?
Verb.
Adjective.
Verb. Verb. It is a verb.
Verb.
What is her? Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Pronoun. So then if you see, you can make a sentence. There is no preposition. There is no conjunction. But still you can make a sentence. Let's take some other example. Rama killed Ravana. What is Rama?
Noun.
Now,
Noun.
Noun.
Name of a person? Noun. What is killed?
No.
verb.
Verb.
Verb. What
Second
is
form of
Ravana?
verb.
What is Ravana?
Pronoun.
Now.
Noun.
Noun.
Noun. So if you see, you can make a sentence without any adjective, without any verb, without any adverb, without any
Preposition. Conjunction.
Not
can
without
say.
a verb.
But you cannot frame a sentence without verb.
Without a verb.
Let me take some more example. You tell me what are the verbs. If there is any verb. I am in the grammar session. Is there any verb in this sentence?
Yes.
am.
Am.
Am is a verb.
Be verb.
Am is a verb. I was at home. I was at home.
Was.
Was
Was.
is a verb. Was is a verb. Okay. So there can be many types of verbs. Transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, main verb, principal verbs, helping verb. But there should be
Auxiliary verb.
mandatory that there should be a verb in a sentence. बिना verb के आप sentence
कोई
construct
sentence नहीं.
नहीं कर सकते. And if there is no verb, you cannot frame a sentence. Johnny, what will happen if I'm not able to frame the sentence? मुझे नहीं आता sentence बनाना. Then what will happen?
I cannot express my ideas. When
You
you are.
cannot speak, you cannot talk, you cannot express your emotions. Simple सा logic है, guys. Do we speak in letters?
No.
No,
No.
we cannot speak in letters. Do we speak in words?
No.
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 Do we speak in sentences?
Yes.
Yes.
We speak in sentences. अगर मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ या vice versa, we always frame the sentences. और उन sentences को frame करने के लिए, which is the most important part?
Yes,
The
verb.
verb.
Yes, verb.
Verbs. So agenda is clear why you are here in today's session?
Yes.
Because everyone wants to become a fluent speaker. तो speaker के लिए सबसे पहले क्या आना चाहिए आपको?
Construction of sentence. Framing of sentence.
Framing of sentences. Frame. Poonam, please mute. Framing of sentences. Okay? So let's start. So let's discuss this thing with the help of the pictorial representation. Now suppose this is a bridge and these are the supporters of the bridge. What will happen if there is no support?
It will fall down.
The
It
bridge
will
will
fall.
collapse.
The bridge will fall.
Collapse.
Collapse.
Same goes with the sentence. What are the supporters of the sentence?
Verb.
Verb.
Verbs are
Verb.
the supporters of the sentence. Johnny, what will happen if there is no verb?
Collapse.
It will destroy.
Sentence goes out.
Read it. Guys, please.
No verb, no sentence.
No verb,
No
no
verb, no
sentence.
sentence.
No
No verb, no
sentence.
sentence.
Wrong verb, wrong
Wrong
sentence.
Wrong
sentence.
sentence.
Right verb, right sentence.
Right sentence.
तो अगर verb नहीं होगा आप sentence frame नहीं कर सकते. So it is very important to get the knowledge of the verbs. Okay? Surekha, Tejas, Sulanta, Mr. Soni, are you guys getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, Sumana, can you read it? Sumana Sen, what is written?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Neural path of verb forms.
Very good, very good. What do you mean by neural? Neural से क्या मतलब समझते हैं?
Neural brain.
Related to brain.
Brain. Very
Nervous
good.
system.
Neural means that
Nervous
is
system.
nervous
Which communicates
system.
the
Neural
signals.
means that is related with our brain.
Brain.
Neural means that is related with our brain. जो हमारे brain से related है. So what does it mean? Neural path of the verb form. It means कि our brain has already been stimulated with this word verb. Because बचपन से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं. Since childhood we are learning this word verb, verb, verb. Is there anyone from this batch who has heard verb first time? No. बचपन से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं भाई वर्ब होता है वर्ब होता है वर्ब होता है तो इट मीन्स हमारे ब्रेन के अंदर ऑलरेडी वायरिंग हो चुकी है
Wiring हो
और वो
चुकी.
क्या हुआ है कि एवरी वर्ब हैज अ 3 फॉर्म्स हर एक वर्ब के 3 फॉर्म्स होते हैं प्रेजेंट फॉर्म पास्ट फॉर्म एंड द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म दीज आर द ग्रामेटिकल टर्म्स इजी टर्म्स में हम इसको कैसे बोल सकते हैं वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म एंड वर्ब का थर्ड
Third
फॉर्म
form.
V1 V2 V3 okay and I'm assuming that you know now do what is the past form do
Did. Did.
do did
Do, did,
Did.
does.
done do did done
Done.
V1
Do did
V2
done.
V3 V1 V2 V3 do did done succeed
Success.
Succeeded.
Success.
Succeeded.
no
Succeeded.
success guys success noun
Success.
success
अच्छा.
is a noun
Succeeded.
success is a noun
Succeed.
we are talking about the verbs
Succeeded. Succeeded.
Succeeded.
Succeeded. Very good. ED. 95% cases में just put ED to make the past form and past participle. 95% में. But 5% आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. Sandeep.
Cooked.
Very nice. Cooked.
Cooked.
हाँ. Cooked नहीं. Cooked.
Cooked.
Very nice. Cooked. Ila. Go.
Go and
Go
gone.
and gone.
Excellent.
Go and
Go and
Go
go.
and gone.
So what is the neural path of the verb form? Every verb has the 3 forms, present form, past form, and the past participle. Might be this question is coming into your mind, ma'am. This we already know, na, कि every verb has 3 forms. So why we are here? Why we are on Monday 8:20? Still you're in the session. So might be you guys are thinking. ठीक है सबको पता है कि verb का 3 forms होता है. Present form होता है, past form होता है, past participle.
Participant.
Okay, V1, V2, V3. देखो guys, if you know the 3 forms of the verb, so how many sentences you can make?
3 sentences.
3 sentences. I'm just sharing my life experience. Whenever the students are coming to me, I always ask you guys, what is the problem? Why you are not able to express yourself in English? So then the answers which I got from them, I'm just sharing with you guys. The first answer, ma'am, my vocabulary is very poor. I'm not able to recall the words into my mind. Second answer, ma'am, my idea generation is not up to the mark. I'm not able to generate the ideas. The third answer, ma'am, I am a very camera shy person. जैसे ही कैमरा को देखता हूँ मैं सब कुछ भूल जाता हूँ. The fourth answer, I'm very less confident person. मैम confidence ही नहीं आता. My mind goes freeze whenever I start to speak this language. It's okay. It's okay, but these are all the secondary level problem. What is a grassroots level problem is that we are not able to construct the sentences. हमें sentences ही नहीं construct करने आते. I always say to my students, guys, use the fancy words, but later on. Try to make the simple words with the sentence. Fancy words हम use करेंगे, but बाद में. अभी just focus only on the framing the simple sentences. Okay? Clear? So now, abhi we know only the 3 forms of the verb, so we can make only 3 sentences. And after making the 3 sentences, my mind goes shut. ठीक है? So now we are here. So what is an objective of today's session? The objective of today's session is this. Remake neural path of the verb forms. What is an objective? Remake neural
Remake neural path of
Verb
form.
It means again we have to work on our neural system. So are you guys ready to work on your neural path again?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will discuss this thing with the help of the verb family. As we all have the lovely doubly family, same goes with the verb. Verb also has a very lovely family. So let's see. So in the verb family, there is a lady. And the name of this lady is called the mother verb. The name of this lady is called the mother verb.
Mother verb.
So she's a lady, she's a mother, so she delivers the kids. So in the first delivery, she delivers twins baby. Present form 1, present form 2. In the second delivery, she delivers past form. In the third delivery, she delivers present participle. In the fourth delivery, she delivers past participle. And in the fifth and the last delivery, she delivers infinite.
बाद में
How many verb forms do you see on the screen?
6.
6. Okay.
7
7. 7. Okay. Yes. There are total 7 forms of the verbs. Just
the mother
count. Just count after me. Mother verb, present form 1, present form 2, past form, present participle, past participle, and infinite. So there are total 7 forms. Earlier, you know how many forms?
3.
Only 3
Three.
forms.
3.
3 forms pata the to 3 sentences you could construct. But after having the knowledge of the 7 forms, how many sentences you can construct in one go?
7
7
sentences.
sentences.
7 sentences.
So automatically you are proceeding towards the fluency. Are you guys getting?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's. Yes?
ये फॉर्म ही है ना 6
6 नहीं सुरेखा 7 है डियर मदर वर्ब भी है
और
Last
वेरी
mother verb.
फ्यूचर
Mother
क्या है फ्यूचर टेंस
हाँ रीला जी वो तो टेंसेस हैं अभी हम सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं वर्ब्स की
वर्ब्स की ओके ओके
वर्ब्स की अगर आपको वर्ब्स के ऊपर मास्टरी आ गई तो देन यू
हाँ,
कैन
हाँ।
इजीली मेक द टेंसेस
ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे गाइस विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एग्जांपल हाउ टू मेक दीज 7 फॉर्म्स इनको हम बना कैसे सकते हैं हाउ टू मेक दीज 7 फॉर्म्स सो गाइस रेडी विद योर डायरी एंड द पेन
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to take one example. I'm going to take one example, and after that, we will do some more practice. Okay?
Yes.
Chalo, I'm going to take one example. Guys, please listen to me very carefully. First, you can make this chart into your notebook. The first verb is,
Mother
suppose I'm
verb.
taking the verb mother verb do. Suppose I'm taking mother verb do. Do. Okay. So the present form 1, how to make the present form 1? Please write down. Please write down. Present form 1 कैसे बनाते हैं? Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother verb. जैसे कहते हैं घर का पहला बच्चा हुआ बिल्कुल अपनी मम्मा पे चला गया. तो present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother verb. तो do का present form 1 क्या होगा? Do. Exactly carbon copy. How to make the present form 2? I'm writing in the chat box, guys. MV. MV stands for the mother verb. Yes, please see the chat box. Once you put S, ES or IES with the mother verb. S, ES or IES with the mother verb के साथ अगर आप put करते हैं तो it becomes present form 2. So do का present form do क्या
Does.
होगा? Does.
Does.
Past
Does.
form we already past form we already know. Past
Did.
form क्या होता है do का?
Did.
Did. Write down how to make the present participle. Again, I'm using the chat option. MV plus ing. MV plus ing. Mother verb के
Doing.
साथ ing. तो present
Doing.
participle क्या हो गया इसका?
Doing.
Doing. Doing. How to what is past participle? Past participle का मतलब क्या होता है? Verb का
Third form.
थर्ड फॉर्म, वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म। तो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल डू का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या हुआ?
Did.
नो,
Done.
डन डन
Done.
डन। Infinite form. Again, I'm using the chat option, guys. Plus mother. 2 plus mother verb. 2 plus mother verb. So what is the infinite form of do?
Do plus did done.
Do. To do.
To do. To do.
To do.
To do. 2 plus mother verb. 2 plus mother. That is an infinite. So this is a do family. Earlier we know only the 3 forms of the verbs do, did, done. Do, did, done. But now you know the 7 forms. Do,
7
do,
forms.
does, did, doing, done, to do. How many sentences you can construct?
7 sentences.
7 sentences.
Do, does, did,
Do,
doing,
does,
Seven
did,
sentences.
done, doing, to
done,
do.
हाँ, to do.
do.
ठीक है, 7 sentences. Infinite form क्या होता है? मदर वर्ब से पहले आपको to लगाना है. Like for example, okay, I'm taking Sandeep. Sandeep, this
I
is
have
a
to do the
sentence.
work.
हाँ,
I have to do the work.
Sandeep, this is a sentence for you. And I really appreciate Sandeep will answer. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. What is a mother?
Yes.
No.
Go.
Go. Go.
What is what is an infinite verb?
No. No.
Let him speak. Let him speak.
No.
Let him speak.
To go.
To go.
No.
वो तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं, guys. सेंटेंस क्या बोला मैंने? I go
Sentence.
to school.
To. Infinite. Infinite है ना? Infinite form के अंदर आगे ही.
Okay. I hope my whiteboard is visible.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a sentence. I go to school. मदर वर्ब कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं? इनफाइनाइट फॉर्म कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं? 2 plus mother verb. 2 plus mother verb. So in this sentence, what is an infinite verb?
To go.
To school.
To school. To school. Why? Why?
No.
Why? Why
No.
to school?
To go to school.
नहीं, to go to तो है ही नहीं ना, सिर्फ to school है.
Go to school. Using noun with it.
No,
There is no
no.
infinite verb
go,
in
to
this
go.
sentence.
To go नहीं है, to go नहीं है, to school है, to school है.
But school is
Cool
not verb,
noun
na?
है ना इसमें तो.
Noun.
Cool noun है ना.
हाँ, तो school noun है, तो in this sentence there is no infinite verb. There is
Okay.
no infinite verb in this sentence. Why? Because to लगा है. It is okay. To is coming. But to के बाद it is a verb? No, it is not a verb. It is a noun. तो यहाँ पर this is not an infinite verb. Second sentence read करो. I want to read a novel. What is an
To read.
infinite verb?
It's to read.
To
To
read.
read.
Infinite.
क्योंकि read के बाद हमारा read से पहले हमारा to आ. ठीक है? Is it clear? ये
Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा ना
Yes.
मिस्टेक करते हैं कि जैसे ही देखा
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. It
Yes, yes.
means if to comes before the word, it is verb.
yes, then it
And
is an infinite
if
verb.
it comes after the verb, the next word will be the
To must be followed by the verb. अगर to के बाद verb आता है, then it becomes an infinite verb. अगर to के बाद हमारा कोई भी noun आता है, तो then this to becomes a preposition. ठीक है? Then this to becomes a preposition. Okay, now let's see. Okay, yes. Poonam is so much writing the thesis. हाँ पूनम, इसके बाद publish paper. हाँ मतलब इतना लिखते हो ना तुम लोग, by God, कुछ नहीं लिखना. चलो पूनम बताओ मेरे को, complete करो this chart. Succeed.
Mother verb is succeed and present form succeed. Present
Succeed.
form to succeeds. and
First was
past is
succeeded.
succeeded,
Succeeded.
succeeded,
Present
and
participle.
succeeding,
Succeeding.
uh,
Succeeded.
To
succeeded,
succeed. To succeed.
to succeed.
To succeed. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, Bhupati.
Yes, ma'am.
Water.
Water. Water. What? Water. Waters. Waters. What?
waters.
Water का past.
Watered. ED.
Watered.
Okay.
ED.
Watered.
हाँ.
Watering. To water.
नहीं, past participle.
Sorry. Past
Watered.
participle.
Watered.
Watered.
Watered and to water.
watering. To water.
To water. To water.
To water. To
Now,
water.
water is a verb.
No, it is a word.
No, it's a
Yes, a verb.
Water is a verb
Water
because
is
you
verb
can
also.
only make the 7 forms of which part of speech? Only the verb.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So my question is water a verb?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
it is verb. Na? I
It's
water. What?
Write down 2 sentences. Write down 2 sentences.
Ma'am, sorry. I just know.
मत बोलो.
Water is a verb. Water तो verb
हाँ,
कैसे
लिखो लिखो, मैं बताती हूँ. लिखो 2 sentences लिखो. जल्दी से
Ma'am,
लिखो.
I watered plant होता है ना? I watered
हाँ,
plant.
तेजल, हाँ. I'm coming to you, dear. Write down 2 sentences. चलो तेजल का sentence लेते हैं. Sentence लिखो. I water the plants. I water the plants. Second sentence. Water is life. Water is life. In both the sentences, which word is common? Water. Water first में भी आ रहा है, water second में भी आ रहा है. But first sentence में
verb.
इसका हिंदी मतलब हुआ मैं पौधों को पानी देती हूँ. तो पानी देना की इंग्लिश हो गया water. So it in the first sentence it acts as a verb. It acts as a verb. But in the second sentence, जल ही जीवन है. Water is life. जल ही जीवन है. So in this sentence, the verb water is a noun. Noun.
Noun.
ठीक है? Like for example, I play football. I play football. I play football. Second sentence, I saw a play. I saw a play. I
Yes.
play football में what is play?
Verb.
Verb. In the second sentence, I saw a play. What is play?
Noun.
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 So why I'm going to tell you, my dear students, because now everything is going to be modernized. So grammar is also modernized. If you really want to work on your communication skills from this level to this level, you should know how to use the words as a verb, as a noun also. How to change the words from noun to verbs, verbs to adjectives, adjectives to adverbs. That you should also know. लेकिन हमारे माइंड में मिथ क्या है? अरे मैडम सिर्फ 12 टेंसेस करवा दो हमारे को. नहीं, there are so many things which is going beyond 12 tenses.
Ma'am, I can give you one more example for this. Google is a search engine and I Googled some information.
Yes. Very nice. Let's take some more example. Have. Yes. Have.
Have.
Tejal.
Yes.
Tejal, just complete this chart.
Mother verb have, then present form have.
अच्छा, present form haves नहीं होता because there is no word in entire English grammar haves. Has.
Past from had.
Yes.
Then past is
Had.
Had.
Present participle having.
Having.
अच्छा, Sumanta is too much. हाँ, okay. Past participle
again, had
had.
and to have.
To
To
have.
have.
To have. And guys, have family, very important family, because this family acts as a double duty verb. Double duty verb का मतलब हो गया, this can be acts as a single verb also. This can be acts as an helping verb also.
Auxiliary verbs.
हाँ, like for example, I have my grammar session. I have my grammar session. So in this
Main verb.
word, it is a main verb. It is a main verb. Single verb आ रहा है. और अगर suppose करो मैं बोलती हूँ, I have completed my grammar assignment. So in this
Auxiliary verb. Have.
sentence, there are the 2 verbs, have and completed. Have and completed. Okay? But
Yes.
this is very important family. Have family. Have family. Can anyone make a sentence of infinite form? Sumana? Sumana, can you
I,
try?
Yes, ma'am.
To have. To have को कैसे construct करोगे? Use
I
करोगे.
have I have to have.
I have to.
I have to have. आगे.
I have to have this book.
I have to.
Have this book.
I have to have this book. Okay.
Auxiliary verb is also have, and main verb is also have.
I want to have these books.
Very good. I want to have these books. Excellent. I want to have these
Have
books.
this book.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm grateful to have the students like you. I am grateful to have the students like you. Okay. So sentences. So later on we will focus. Later on we will focus on this. Abhi, right now I'm just going to focus on how to make these forms. But guys, we are learning the language. So exceptions are always there. So what is an exceptional verb? Be verb is an exceptional verb. Why be verb is an exceptional verb? Because this is the only verb in the entire English grammar which has a 9 forms. अगर इसको count करो, be, is, am, are, was, were, being, been, to be. This is the only verb in the entire English grammar which has a 9 forms. Rest, all the verbs has how many forms?
7 form.
7 forms. This is a verb which you can use as a single verb also. This is a verb which you can use as a main verb also. This is a verb which is used in all the tenses. And this is a verb which is used in making the passive voice also. Very important family. Very important family. So if I ask what are the members of the be family, answer is be, is, am, are, was, were, being, been, to be. Like for example, just try to translate this sentence into English. मेरी मम्मी खाना बनाती है. बनाओ.
My mother is cooking
My
food.
mother cooks food.
Very good. My mother cooks food. Very nice. Simple sentence. My mother cooks food. Very simple sentence. Okay. Suppose there are some guests are coming into your home. ठीक है?
Guests are coming.
अरे
Guests are
सुरेखा.
coming in my home.
हाँ सुरेखा, लेकिन ये guests are coming नहीं, सुनो ध्यान से सुनो. Some guests are coming to your home. Okay. And you call some chef or cook. आपने कहीं से बुलाया. I'm giving you two situations. मेरे को बताना किस situation में आप बोलते हो. The first situation. शेफ खाना बना रहा है, खा के जाइएगा. Do we speak in this way? Second way. खाना बन रहा है, खा के जाइएगा.
Second.
Second
one.
one. ठीक है, खाना बन रहा है, खा के जाइएगा. जॉनी, इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलोगे? खाना बन
Cooking
रहा
food
है.
is prepared.
Food
Food is
is
being prepared.
Johnny, guys, please maintain the decorum of the session. Yes, Johnny.
Food is being cooked.
Food is being cooked.
No.
Yes, खाना बन रहा है.
Food is getting ready.
Food is getting ready. Okay.
Food is prepared.
Food is prepared. Okay, very nice, Sumaya. Any more inputs?
Food is cooking.
Food is cooking. अच्छा सुनो, पूनम एंड सुमाना जो आपने सेंटेंसेस बोले ना, फूड इज कुकिंग, उसका पता है हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन क्या है? खाना बना रहा है, मतलब खाना अपने आप को बना रहा है कि चलो ये बन जाओ. नो, सेंटेंस क्या था? खाना बनाया जा रहा है.
Food is being cooked.
फूड इज बीइंग कुक्ड. सो जॉनी, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. इला जी आप भी राइट हैं, बट जॉनी वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था जब ये सेंटेंस बोल रहे थे. ठीक है, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी आना चाहिए, कन्विक्शन के साथ बोलो. सो द करेक्ट सेंटेंस है फूड इज बीइंग कुक्ड. तो ये कौन सी फैमिली से लिया है हमने? बी फैमिली से लिया. बी फैमिली से लिया. तो दैट्स व्हाई बी फैमिली इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैमिली. ओके, इट्स ऑलरेडी.
Past tense में cooked past tense में ना ये.
हाँ, एक तो कुक्ड नहीं है सुरेखा. दिस इज कुक्ड.
अका cooked.
कुक्ड बोलो, कुक्ड बोलो इसको सुरेखा. Cooked. Guys, there are the 4 major domains on which you really have to work. What is the first domain? What is the first domain? First area क्या है जिसके ऊपर आपको seriously you have to work if you really want to become an effective and impressive speaker?
Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
First is grammar.
Pronunciation.
ठीक है, you should have the
Grammar.
good knowledge of the grammar. The second is vocabulary. Definitely you should have a good vocabulary into your mind. The third is your fluency skills, public speaking skills. You have to work on your body gestures, eye contact, hand gestures. You have to work. And the fourth one is pronunciation. Guys, if you are, Elaji, please mute yourself. If you are very good in grammar, if you know how to use the good vocabulary words, if your body gestures is very good, but if your pronunciation is not up to the mark, you cannot impress your audience. Trust me, you cannot impress your audience. Suppose I'm saying my mother cooked the delicious food. मैंने delicious word use कर दिया, मैंने past tense use कर दिया, सही use करा है, मैं body gestures भी अच्छा use कर रही हूँ. But do you really think so I can impress my audience?
No.
No. No, I cannot impress my audience. Most of the time I have listened from the students कि मैम आज मैं ना ज्वेलरी लेने गई थी, ज्वेलरी. Do you really think so? This is a correct pronunciation of this word,
Jewelry.
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 Jewelry. Correct pronunciation, jewelry. Jewelry. लेकिन हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है, हमें तो वो 10 लाख की ज्वेलरी से मतलब है. But this is not the correct pronunciation. So please emphasize on these 4 major domains. Okay, so what is that?
How to emphasize?
Sorry?
But how to have that knack over these 4 areas? Because in English, there are some words where things are silent. Okay.
Yes,
It's not
but that
pizza.
is a different. For that you have to learn the phonics. If you really want to go into the depth, so you should have the good knowledge of the phonics.
Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
You forgot about खाना खाकर जाइएगा. Food is being cooked and next,
Food is being prepared. Please have it.
please have it. Okay.
ठीक है. So what is the remake neural path of the verb form? Every verb has a 7 forms except the be verb,
Except
which
be verb.
has
9 forms.
9 forms, which has a 9 forms. Still it is there. Okay, चलो थोड़ा सा जल्दी करते हैं, guys. Now this is a next word is surpass. Surpass. Yes, so surpass. बोलो जल्दी जल्दी. Surpass is surpass. What is the meaning of surpass? Surpass का मतलब होता है to lead excel, आगे बढ़ जाना.
आगे बढ़ जाना.
आगे बढ़ जाना. Suppose I'm a 60% holder and I scored 90% in my grade 12th. So how I make a sentence? After scoring 90% in my grade 12, I surpassed from my parents' expectations. भाई parents को क्या expectations थी? अच्छे भाई 60 आए हैं 70 आए, right? But after scoring the 90%, I surpassed from my parents' expectations. आगे निकल गए, ठीक है? So this is the step number 2. This is a step number 2. You can take the screenshot also. In our advanced course, we will make the sentences of each and every verb. Each and every verb ka we have to construct the sentences in this way. But for that, you should have the good knowledge of the parts of speech, tenses, and the actives. But this is step number 2. This is called the vitalization. You have to use each and every verb in framing the sentences. Okay? Now, next word is eavesdrop. What is present form 1?
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop.
Stop.
Stops.
Eavesdrops.
Eavesdrops.
Eavesdrop.
मैम मीनिंग क्या है इसका?
I let you know. I let you know.
Eavesdrop.
मीनिंग क्या है?
Eavesdrop. To eavesdrop.
Two is drop.
Now, what is the meaning? Now, what is the meaning of this word? The meaning of this word is to listen someone's talk secretly.
Someone.
listen someone.
To listen someone's talk secretly.
Okay.
To listen someone's talk secretly. Some noise is coming. I don't know from where's end. To listen someone's talk secretly. किसी की बातें चोरी छुपे सुनना. किसी की बातें चोरी छुपे सुनना. That is called the eavesdrop. That is called eavesdrop. Right? Johnny, are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, बड़े बड़े भारी मन से यस बोला है. हाँ, चलो आई टेक. जॉनी, अगर सेंटेंस है, मैं हिंदी में एक सेंटेंस दे रही हूँ, ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
सिंपल सेंटेंस जॉनी. सेंटेंस है,
Yes, ma'am.
मेरी वाइफ ने चोरी छुपे मेरी बातें फोन पर सुनी. आई रिपीट, मेरी वाइफ ने चोरी छुपे फोन पर मेरी बातें सुनी. हाउ टू ट्रांसलेट दिस सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश? बनाओ.
My wife
Mhm.
eavesdropped my talk.
Poonam, please mute, dear. Some noise is coming from your end, Poonam. Yes, Johnny.
My wife eavesdropped my talk.
Okay, well tried, well tried, well tried. Bhupati, same sentence for you.
My wife eavesdropped my personal talk.
Okay, okay, okay. Sumanta, Nandi, unmute,
May I try?
unmute.
My wife eavesdropped while I was on mobile.
Okay, okay, okay. Well tried, Tejal. Some noise. Ilaji, some noise. सिंपल, इसका सिंपल देखो. ऑल्दो यू गाइस आर राइट, लेकिन देखो इस सेंटेंस को हम कैसे बना सकते थे. इफ आई डोंट नो दिस ब्यूटीफुल वर्ब ईवस्टॉप, मैं कैसे बनाती? माय वाइफ लिसन्ड माय टॉक सीक्रेटली. फोन पर की इंग्लिश हो गई ओवर द फोन. माय वाइफ listened my talk secretly over the phone. But why we are making such a lengthy sentence? The question is this. If we know the good vocabulary, so then I can construct this way. My wife eavesdropped me over the phone. My wife eavesdropped me over the phone, full stop. So that's why now you have to enrich your vocabulary bank also.
Yes.
ठीक है? आपको अपना वोकैब. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि मैम, इफ आई विल स्पीक दीज वर्ड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय ऑडियंस, इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, will they
They won't.
understand? Guys, this is not your problem na, whether they understand you or not. Let them Google. But you are here to improve yourself. इला जी, किसी की बातें चोरी छुपे सुनना बुरी आदत है. कैसे बनाओगे इसको इंग्लिश में?
Overdropping the others' talk is not a good habit.
But why हम talk walk word क्यों ले रहे हैं? ये सब इसी के अंदर है.
While dropping
Eavesdropping.
other words.
Eavesdropping. The word है
Eavesdropping.
eavesdropping.
While eavesdropping others' word.
Simple. Eavesdropping is a bad
Eavesdropping is
habit.
not
Eavesdropping
habit.
is a bad habit, or you can say eavesdropping is not a good habit. Full
Yes.
stop. उसके अंदर
Eavesdropping is
टॉकिंग
not good.
सीक्रेटली सब कुछ आ गया. इसी वर्ड के अंदर सब कुछ आ गया.
And we can say that eavesdropping is bad. Even that is fine, na?
Ah, that is fine. That is fine, Tejal. Absolutely fine, dear. Now, guys, in the beginning of the session, I discussed that the present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother verb. Suppose I have written one sentence, I cook rice. I cook rice. What is the verb in this sentence?
Cook.
Cook. Cook बोलने से सब इतना घबरा रहे हैं. Cook सही हो. हाँ, cook. Cook is the right pronunciation. So cook. Cook is a verb. Now the question is, cook is a mother verb or cook is a present form 1?
Cook
Both.
is Mother a verb.
Hmm?
Mother verb.
Mother verb.
Mother verb.
Mother verb.
Why mother verb?
Simple.
Write down, guys. If the main verb is coming alone, I repeat, if the main verb is coming alone, then it becomes a present form 1. Alone का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर? What do you mean by alone?
अकेले.
अकेला.
Akela.
Good. मेरी तो हिंदी इतनी अच्छी थी नहीं. Thank you for polishing my हिंदी. हाँ, अकेला तो मुझे भी पता है. alone का मतलब अकेला, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है अकेला? यहाँ पर अकेले का मतलब है
कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है.
हाँ, there is no helping verb is coming. There is no supporting verb is coming. And this verb doesn't ends with any suffix. Suffix का मतलब होता है ये जो
Yes,
main
yes.
verb है ये किसी भी चीज से एंड नहीं होगा. S, ES, ED, ING कुछ भी नहीं आएगा इसके साथ. So then it becomes a present form one. Clear? I cook rice. It is coming alone without any supporting verb, without any suffix. So it becomes a present form one.
Present form.
If I said I am cooking the rice, I am
No.
cooking rice.
नहीं, कुकिंग तो वो तो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल हो गया. वो डेट इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल क्योंकि वो आईएनजी से एंड हो रहा है.
Okay, okay.
सपोज करो दीज आर द सेंटेंसेस. आई कुड कुक राइस, आई कैन कुक राइस, आई शेल कुक राइस. नाउ व्हाट इज द मेन वर्ब? कुक. Now cook in this sentence, cook becomes a mother verb. Why?
Mother verb.
Because now the main verb is coming along with any supporting verb. Supporting verb क्या है first sentence में? What is the supporting verb?
Could.
Could. Second में can.
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 Shall.
So if the main verb is coming along with any supporting verb, then it becomes a mother verb. जैसे हम कैसे याद कर सकते हैं भाई, मदर है, शी इज गेटिंग ओल्डर, सो मदर नीड्स द सपोर्ट. सो मदर वर्ब ऑलवेज कम्स विद द सपोर्टिंग.
Support.
Like for example, I run fast. I run fast. What is a verb?
Run.
Present form of run.
What type of run?
Present form.
Present.
Present.
Present form.
Present form.
Present form.
Present form.
अगर सपोज करो सेंटेंस होता I will run fast.
Mother verb.
Mother verb.
तब क्योंकि जो
Run
run
main
है, वो
verb.
एक सपोर्टिंग वर्ब के साथ आ गया will. Will के साथ. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I jump. Sandeep, I jump. What is the verb?
Present.
Present verb.
कौन सा है वर्ब? जंप. जंप.
Jump.
इसको जंप को जरा प्रेजेंट फॉर्म वन को कन्वर्ट करो मदर वर्ब में. कैसे कर सकते हो?
I will jump.
I will jump. I
will
can
jump.
jump. I
I
could
can
jump.
jump.
I could jump.
You
Yes.
have to put one supporting verb. Simple.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Correct. Yes.
Ma'am, what is I could have jumped?
नहीं, वो मॉडल वर्ब्स हो गए तेजल. That is a different thing, dear. क्योंकि यहाँ पर टू वर्ब्स आ गए. हमें सिर्फ एक सिंगल सपोर्टिंग वर्ब यूज करना है.
वही बोल रही हूँ कि जब दो आ जाते हैं तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? What is that situation?
वो पास पार्टिसिपल हो
I
गया.
could have jumped.
वो जंप जो हो गया वो पास पार्टिसिपल हो गया तेजल. could have, should have, must
Okay.
have, would have के साथ कुछ भी अगर आ रहा है तो that becomes a past participle. Have family. अभी चलो guys, it's already 8:55. But if you allow, can I take your 10 minutes more?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are ready.
बड़े भारी मन से रेडी हो.
No, ma'am, I'm enjoying.
Okay. Because I
Ma'am,
want.
can I leave?
देखो लीव का आ गया. कौन लीव करना
No,
चाहता है?
actually, 9 o'clock, my another class is here.
Sumana, can you just spend your 10 minutes because I am going to discuss some golden brahmastra.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
गोल्डन
please
ब्रह्मास्त्र
continue.
डिस्कस करना. आई एम सो सॉरी गाइस, आज थोड़ा सा लेट होगी. थोड़ा सा हम डेप्थ में चले
Okay.
गए. अदरवाइज आई एम नॉट टेकिंग सो मच टाइम इनटू द वर्कशॉप. बट
Okay,
आई एम
ma'am.
गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम गोल्डन ब्रह्मास्त्र विद यू. ओके, थोड़ा सा मैं जल्दी करने की कोशिश करूंगी. गोल्डन ब्रह्मास्त्र, व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस गाइस, इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेशन वी हैव डिस्कस इफ वी हैव द गुड नॉलेज ऑफ द ग्रामर वी कैन फ्रेम द सेंटेंसेस करेक्टली. अभी तक हमने verbs के बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? If we have the good knowledge of the verbs, we can frame the sentences.
Sentence.
But we are not sure कि whether these sentences are correct or not. Okay, so for that we are going to discuss Golden Brahmastra. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. थोड़ा सा हम जल्दी. Okay, so the topic name is the story of the verb friendship. The topic name is verb friendship. Okay, so verb, how many minimum members do we need for a friendship?
2.
2. Very good. So this concept will only applicable on those sentences which contains minimum 2 verbs. Minimum 2 verbs. Okay, so there are many friendships I'm going to take 3 or 4 friendships. Okay. The first friendship is be and present participle. Please write down, very important, or you can take the screenshot. Be and present participle. If there is a sentence, okay, and if the first verb is coming from the be family, अगर first verb आपका कहाँ से आ रहा है? Be family से आ रहा है. Be is, am, are, was, were. If the first verb is coming from the be family, so the second verb should be in the present participle. Present participle का मतलब क्या होता है? How to identify present participle?
Adding ing.
वेरी गुड,
ing.
वेरी गुड. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के ब्रैकेट में लिख लो वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी. वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी. सो अगर बी फैमिली का कोई भी मेंबर आप देखते हो तो उसके साथ जो नेक्स्ट वर्ब आएगा वो कौन से फॉर्म में आएगा? आईएनजी फॉर्म में आएगा. ठीक है. सेकेंड, have and past participle. Have and past participle. If these members are coming, have, has, had. Have, has, had. और जैसे तेजल ने बोला था, तेजल यहाँ पर आपका could have, should have, would have, must have भी आ सकता है. If these members are
हाँ.
coming, so the next verb should be the past participle. Past participle का मतलब?
ed.
नहीं, ed नहीं. V3, V3.
थर्ड फॉर्म
Verb का third form. Verb का third. Verb का third form. Next friendship is do and mother verb. Do and mother verb. If these members are coming in a sentence, do, does, did. I repeat, do, does, did. So the next verb should be in the mother form. Mother form. Mother form means base form of the verb. Root form of the verb.
Present form. Present form.
Yes, you can say the base form. लेकिन ये सपोर्टिंग वर्ब के साथ आ रहा है तो इसलिए हम इसको मदर फॉर्म कह देते हैं. Next friendship is modal verbs and the mother form. Modal verbs will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, ought to. If these verbs are coming, so the next verb should be in the mother form. Modal verbs, mother form. इसको कैसे how I retain into my mind? Momo, momo. Mo stands with modal, mo stands with mother. Momo. So just retain into your mind, momo, momo. Momo means modal verb, mother verb. Modal verb, mother verb. ऐसे इसको कैसे याद कर सकते हैं? डूमो, डूमो. डोरेमोन कैरेक्टर से आई हैव टेकन डूमो, डूमो. डू फैमिली, मदर वर्ब, डूमो. Next is have papa. Have, pa means past, pa means participle. Have papa. Next is be prepare. Pre matlab present, pair matlab participle. Okay. So what are the 4 friendships we have discussed? First is
Be prepared.
be prepare. Be prepare. Be and present participle. What is the second one?
Have papa.
Have
Papa.
papa.
Have papa. What is third one?
Do mother.
Do more. Do and mother verb. Do and mother verb. What is fourth one?
Momo.
Momo.
ठीक है guys, these are the my acronyms. You can make your own acronyms. ठीक है. Acronyms का मतलब होता है how to retain into your mind. Otherwise you will forget guys. Trust me, you will forget. चलो let's do some examples guys. Let's take some examples.
B.
The story begins. Now, this sentence, I'm just tell you how to apply the rule into this. Although this sentence, huh? Although this sentence is very simple. I am going to temple. First, you have to check how many verbs in this sentence.
Two.
Two
Two verbs, so you can apply the rule. You can apply the rule. Now,
And going.
am is from which family? First verb हमेशा family से देखना.
B family.
From the B family. According to the B family, the next verb should be in the
Mother word.
no
Present participle.
present
Present
participle.
participle.
Be prepare. Be prepare. Pre matlab present, pair matlab participle. So be and present participle. So this friendship is right. Yes. So this
Yeah.
sentence is
Correct.
correct. Okay. In this way you have to apply. ठीक है. चलो let's पहले सुमाना से हम लेते हैं. सुमाना
Yes,
बताओ
ma'am.
sentence is right or wrong?
They were talked about me.
Wrong.
Let her
Wrong,
speak.
wrong,
Let her
wrong.
speak. Let her speak.
Wrong.
They were
Okay.
talked about me. Wrong, ma'am.
Wrong है तो Sumana, why it is wrong? Because were is from which family?
B.
B fan.
B
B
family.
family.
According to the B family, the next verb should be the
Past participle.
no B
No,
family के
Present
साथ
अच्छा,
next
B
verb
family, P
Present
family.
participle.
Present.
present
present
participle.
participle. So what should be
Present
the
participle.
correct sentence?
They were
They were
talking
talking
about.
about me.
They were talking about
They're talking about me.
They were talking
They
about.
were
were
Talking about
Talking about me.
They were talking about me.
me. Talking about
Because
me.
वर कौन सी फैमिली से है? बी फैमिली से है. बी फैमिली के साथ जो नेक्स्ट वर्ब आएगा दैट मस्ट बी एंड्स विद आईएनजी. ठीक है. बट पिक्चर अभी बाकी है सुमाना, तो स्टे फॉर 5 minutes मोर. ओके जॉनी,
yes ma'am.
राइट और रॉन्ग?
Wrong. Wrong ma'am. Wrong.
हैव इज
Wrong.
फ्रॉम विच फैमिली? हैव इज फ्रॉम विच फैमिली?
Have.
हैव
Have
फैमिली.
fun.
हैव फैमिली.
Have fun.
हैव फैमिली के साथ द नेक्स्ट वर्ब शुड बी द
Past
Past
participle.
past
participle.
participle. Have papa, but here it is present participle. So this sentence is wrong fit.
I have
So
gone to
John,
temple.
so Johnny,
have
what
gone
should
to
be the correct
temple.
sentence?
I have gone to temple.
Yes, Johnny?
Yes ma'am.
I have
हाँ,
to go. I
इतने
have
I have
चाहने
gone to
वाले
temple.
हैं जॉनी के कि उसको बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे हैं. हाँ, जॉनी स्पीक लाउडर.
I have gone to temple.
I have gone to temple because have family के साथ past participle. Go का past participle होता है gone.
Oh God.
My father did not gift me on my birthday. Poonam.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
What are the verbs? How many verbs in this sentence, Poonam?
Two.
Did and
Didn't get. Didn't gift.
Did, only did, not the negative.
Do.
Yeah. ठीक है, so not is not a verb. So did is from which family?
Do.
Do family. And do family के साथ the next verb should be the mother.
Main
Mother.
verb.
Mother.
Mother
Mother
verb.
verb. So this is right. Very nice. Elaji, this is right sentence, wrong sentence?
should go to temple. Right.
Should is from which family? Model
should is
family.
Model.
Model family. According to the model family, the next verb should be the mother verb.
go.
Momo.
Oh, yeah.
Momo. So this is a right fit. Okay, guys, write down one sentence. Very important sentence. हिंदी में, चलो मैं हिंदी में सेंटेंस बोल रही हूँ. जब मैं छोटी थी मैं बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल पाती थी. जब मैं छोटी थी मैं बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल पाती थी. I hope my whiteboard is visible, everyone.
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
I speak English.
जब मैं छोटी थी इंग्लिश क्या बनेगी? When I was young. ठीक है,
When I was
मैं
young,
बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल
I
पाती
used
थी.
to speak
भूपति.
good English.
I
I used to speak good English.
अच्छा चलो, अगर मैं इसमें मॉडल वर्ब यूज करती हूँ, कौन सा टेंस है? व्हाट इज द टेंस?
Past.
पास्ट टेंस. तो स्पीक का पास्ट टेंस क्या होता है?
Speak, spoke
स्पोक.
Spoken.
आई कुड
Spoke.
स्पोक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली.
fluent.
ठीक है, दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. When I was young, I could spoke English fluently because this is a past tense. This is a past tense. But now my question is this sentence right?
When I was young, I could speak English fluently.
Is this sentence right, guys?
I could speak
Why speak?
because could is also verb, no?
Could is a modal verb. तो मोमो कॉन्सेप्ट
Model verb.
करेंगे. तो मोमो कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ although it is a past tense, but if we are using the modal verbs, तो हमारा correct sentence क्या होगा? When I was young, I could speak English fluent.
Speak English fluently.
Although it is a past tense, but don't use spoke because here we are using the could. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes ma'am.
मैम बार बार ना भूल जाते हैं आपके मॉडल.
अरे हम सिखाएंगे ना. अच्छा चलो एक और बताओ. आई एम प्ले और आई एम प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. विच वन इज राइट?
Playing. I am playing football.
Playing.
Why Sandeep? Why?
मैम वो तो मुझे पता है वो क्या कंटिन्यू टेंस में आता है
नहीं नहीं, कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस की बात नहीं कर रहे, देखो।
बी प्रिपेयर वाला
Yes, very good,
बी
Surekha. हाँ, because am is from which family? B family.
बी
तो B family के साथ हमेशा क्या आता है? ING आता है।
आईएनजी लगेगा।
ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? एनी डाउट?
नो
नो। अच्छा, सपोज करो संदीप आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए, ठीक है, और आपने वहां पे बहुत खा लिया, यू हैव ईटन अ लॉट एंड द वेटर इज आस्किंग टू यू, सर वुड यू लाइक टू हैव मोर, और आप क्या बोलते हो? नो नो, आई एम डन, मेरा हो गया, आई एम डन। और यू कैन से आई एम
Full.
full. Very good. I am full. Now my question is, guys, again, am is from which family?
बी फैमिली।
B
B
family.
family.
So why we are not saying I am dunning? इसमें क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हम I am dunning? I am pulling. This is my question. Are you guys getting my question?
यस
Everyone?
आई एम
Why we are not saying I am fulling? I am dunning. चलो थोड़ा सा इसको और सिंपल करते हैं। सपोज इलाजी इज आस्किंग हाउ आर यू, आई एम सेइंग हाय इलाजी, आई एम
Fine.
गुडिंग। बोलती हूँ मैं आई एम गुडिंग? अब मैं क्या बोलूंगी? आई एम
Good.
Good.
गुड।
वाई?
But present tense.
I think mother word के साथ में नहीं लगाएंगे कुछ।
2 मिनट।
मदर वर्ड के साथ में ये मेरा
तो मदर वर्ब का प्ले भी तो मदर वर्ब है, उसके साथ आईएनजी लगा दिया मैंने।
Here, good is used as a adjective.
गुड इज हु इज सेइंग? देखो गाइस, सी प्ले क्या है? व्हाट इज प्ले? प्ले इज अ वर्ब.
वर्ब।
Verb.
So there are the two verbs. There's a two verbs, so there is a friendship. But if you will see all these, done is not a verb here. It is an adjective. Same goes with the full. Same goes with the good. It is an adjective. तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक verb है. If there is a single verb, you cannot apply this. Suppose I am saying how are you, and I am saying I am welling.
नो
well.
नो मैम।
Why? Why?
आई एम वेल।
Why?
Adjective.
The
Adjective.
adjective.
एडजेक्टिव। वेल इज एडजेक्टिव।
Adverb.
Adverb. Adverb.
Okay. So why I'm saying this? Because there are so many things in English grammar you should learn. You should learn. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to share my assignment, which I'm going to be posted soon into your WhatsApp group. Now, what you have to do in this assignment, guys, I will share this assignment into your group. What is this? I have shared some sentences. You just rewrite the correct sentences and send on my personal wall. सिर्फ sentences, सही sentences लिख के आपको भेजने हैं. This is your own practice. 10 sentences है, 10 नहीं करने का मूड, कोई बात नहीं, 7 करो, 8 करो, but at least you have to do the practice. Like for example, I have understand your problem. This is right sentence or wrong sentence?
Wrong.
Wrong sentence. I have understood.
Understand.
I am
I understood.
understanding.
Don't change.
I have understood your problem.
Understand.
I have understood.
Yes, I have understood your problem. Don't change the first verb because I didn't discuss the tenses with you. I have understood your problem. बस I
Yes.
have understood your problem ये लिख के आपको भेजना है with your full name. Clear?
Clear.
It was getting darker.
Was getting darker.
यही नहीं करने, थोड़ा सा काम अपना थोड़ा सा राइटिंग स्किल्स पे भी कर लेना. तो I will share this assignment into your WhatsApp group. Guys, your WhatsApp group is very important because whatever the